Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about what is 0 raised to the power of 0. Let us consider x power a times x power b. We know that the answer to this is x power a plus b. Similarly, we can say x power a times x power minus b is equal to x power a minus b. Now let us say that a is equal to b. If a is equal to b in this, then we can write this as x power a times x power minus a is equal to x power a minus a, which is x power 0. Now what I have done is, instead of b, I have written a itself. So x power a is x power a and x power minus b becomes x power minus a. So instead of b, I am replacing a. So I get x power 0. Now we also know that x power minus a is equal to 1 by x power a. So we know that x power minus a is equal to 1 by x power a. Now what I am going to do is, instead of this x power minus a, I am going to write 1 by x power a. So now I can say that x power a times x power minus a is equal to x power a times, now instead of this x power minus a, I am going to write 1 by x power a. So into 1 by x power a. Now x power a cancels. The answer is equal to 1. See, now both this and this are same. So I am writing x power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore I get x power 0 is 1. From this I can say that 3 power 0 is equal to 1, 2 power 0 is equal to 1, 1 power 0 is equal to 1. So this pattern implies that 0 power 0 is also equal to 1. So I can safely say limit x tends to 0 plus x power 0 is equal to 1. Most mathematicians point out that the value of 0 power 0 is 1. So now we have proved the value of 0 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Now let us see the limits of the form 0 power 0 with different answers. So now we know that 0 power 5 is equal to 0. 0, when we multiply it 5 times, we get 0. And 0 power 4 is also 0. 0 power 3 is also 0. From this we can safely state that limit x tends to 0 plus 0 power x is always equal to 0. Similarly, if we take 0 power minus 4, the value is 1 by 0 power 4. So 1 by 0 is undefined. Similarly, we get for 0 power minus 3, it is 1 by 0 power 3. This is also undefined. So we can say that limit x tends to 0 minus of 0 power x is undefined. So we see that if we come from the right side, the value is 0, and if we come from the left side, the value is undefined. So this proves that the value of 0 power 0 can be 0 or it can be undefined. There are still other limits in the form of 0 power 0 that can have answer as any other value. Now if we see limit x tends to 0 plus x raised to the power of 1 by ln x. So now let us solve this. So we have limit x tends to 0 plus x power 1 by ln x. So I am substituting 0 in the value of x. So I get 1 by ln 0. So ln 0 is minus infinity. So I get 0 power minus 1 by infinity. So which is 1 by infinity is 0. So I get 0 power 0. So now I have showed that this limit is of the form 0 power 0. So now solving it, let us take y is equal to x power 1 by ln x. Then y ln y, taking ln on both sides, I get ln y is equal to ln of x power 1 by ln x. Now we know the power rule. Now this term will come in the front. So now I have ln y is equal to 1 by ln x into ln x. So this is the power rule. I have brought this in the front. So now what happens is ln x cancels and I get the answer as 1. So the value of ln y is equal to 1. So now we have limit x tends to 0 plus ln y is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1. I am taking limit on both sides. So limit of x tends to 0 plus of 1 is, we know the answer is 1. Now I am taking antilog on both sides. So I get limit e power ln y is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus e power 1. So now I get limit x tends to 0 plus, we know that e to the power of ln will get cancelled and we will just get y. So y is equal to, and e power 1 is e, and applying limit also we get the value as e only. Now according to this problem the answer is e. So we see that based upon the context the value of 0 power 0 changes. The best answer is 0 power 0 is equal to 1. But when dealing with limits, we see that the value of 0 power 0 can be 1, it can be 0, it can be undefined, or it can take up the value as e. So thank you for watching.